In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send high-quality media on WhatsApp. Sending photos and videos in HD can make your content look sharper and more detailed for the recipient. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Storage and Data. Then tap on this option, Media Upload Quality. By default, the media upload quality on WhatsApp is set to standard. This means that when you send photos or videos, they may not be as clear as you'd like them to be. To send high-quality media on WhatsApp, simply select HD quality instead of standard. This way, any photos or videos you send will be in higher resolution, making your content look sharper. Remember, changing this setting just once will ensure that all your future uploads are automatically set to HD quality by default. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.